Hey everybody! Today me Yet is going with Misha and Christine to the house in France to do some construction work. So here you can see us driving there and having what seems to be a little dance. So this is the street we're on. It's beautiful. Let me take you inside. Let's go.
There we have Christine.
Crazy Christine. As you can see, this is the house. Actually, both houses. Isn't it just lovely? It looks so beautiful. And there's Croissant. He came running up straight away. Look how cute. He came to cuddle with me and I just couldn't leave him alone. He's just adorable. I love him. I find really cool about this house is the stairs. And then also these mirrors and hand-painted panels, which just are too good not to show in this video. So we came in and this is the second house. It's going to be the Airbnb, and yeah, it was sort of a mess. So we started up just cleaning, like gathering every brick out and just going for it. So we filled up these big buckets every time, and I think I carried around 30 of them, and they were heavy, let me tell y'all. Oh, here's a little singing break. I will save you some tears and some ear pain. Here's me in the bucket again. And then this is how dirty we were getting. Dust was everywhere, in our hair, our clothes, our skin. It was terrible. So here I am having a little croissant break and cleaning again. And then we found this 1950, I think, newspaper underneath the stairs, which was a really cool find. We'll definitely keep it. Now I'm on my way to the store because I got hungry, and look what I got. I got some cookies. Nobody wanted some except for me, so we just went back to work with croissant. See, now it's pretty full already, so we went to throw it away. Look at us working really hard. We had to do it in 20 minutes because they were closing, and let me tell y'all, my abs and arms were burning. So we got some food. Of course, I got a hot dog, they got burgers, and here's Mish. And then more cuddles. So we went back to work with the sledgehammer this time, taking the other wall down, which we also had to clean up after, which was not as fun, but the taking down part was. Here's the ceiling coming down. This part actually scared me. I actually got all the rage out that I had been building up for years. This was awesome. And there it is. Almost done. We did another wall. I truly felt like Miley Cyrus. Look at that. Female power. Yeah. And more croissant. And me getting all dirty. Here he is taking down the nails